Assalamu alaikum. My name is Engineer Faisal Ali, and this is my group mate, Engineer Islamuddin. Our project title is Design and Fabrication for Automated Solar Lawnmower. Our supervisor is Engineer Shakil Aman, and our co-supervisor is Engineer Ezaz Ali. Overview. In overview, if we see in the market, different kinds of lawnmowers are used, such as mechanical lawnmowers, which use mechanical energy as the source, and electrical lawnmowers, which use electrical energy as a source. From the World Energy Report, it is reckoned that 84% of energy is received from conventional sources, such as fossil fuel. And in order to avoid these crises, these alternative path of energy must be used, which is the solar energy. Problem statement. In problem statement, there are mechanical lawnmowers are used, which needs lots of maintenance. As given in the picture, the person is using a mechanical lawnmower by forcing it, and in electrical lawnmowers are also used in some industries and parks, which use a long cable for its operation that can cause the hazard of trip or fall. Proposed solution. In proposed solution, we are going to construct a small compact form of a lawnmower which use the solar energy, and their size is small. And in this solar lawnmower, the rechargeable battery is fixed. The lawnmower will be controlled by a mobile application. Literature review survey. In order to design an efficient product, we have reviewed some research paper from autonomous to manual order to in order to know about the mobility limitation. In autonomous mode, the lawnmower is operated by providing a path, or it use AI-based algorithm to detect the grass boundaries. And in a manual mode, the lawnmower is controlled by a mobile application or by hand force. Embedded visual obstacle method. In embedded visual obstacle method, a camera is used in which the algorithm of AI is used. ARM-based processor is used, which performs on the basis of a risk detection and design and modeling of a prototype of a solar lawnmower. In order to design its body, the reliable sources must be used so that its cost and its body must be reliable. The grass boundary detection lawnmower. In order to know the area of the grass, its boundaries must be detected smartly. By this, it can be possible by using some AI-based technologies. The process would require infrared light source and camera with bandpass filter. Software. The first part in this project is the use of software. Different software such as Arduino IDE, SolidWorks, MIT App Inventor, and Eagles are used. Arduino IE for the programming, the ESP32 is programmed. SolidWorks is used to design the product, and MIT App Inventor is used to develop the mobile application, and Eagle is used to design the circuit. Deliverable. What we are going to give is the robot body design interface of DC motors. The DC motors are used to run the machine and rotate the cutter, and the designing of the solar lawnmower, the installment of a solar panel on the body, and a mobile application which controls the overall behavior of the solar lawnmower. Objectives. In objectives, there are very clear objectives. First is to design the body of the lawnmower, and second is to design the cutter, and last one is the mobile application which interface with the machine. Methodology. Methodology is also very important part of our project. In methodology, selection of components plays a crucial role. The first component is solar panel. Solar panel, we use a solar panel of 2 watt 6 volt as our product is a miniature or small in size. Solar panel is used to produce electricity, and this electricity is stored in the battery, and this is the microcontroller. Microcontroller is used for programming and for the logic of the machine. For example, the movement of machine cutter on off status. Battery is used as a storage device as well as the main source of power to the machine. Charge controller, as the battery use is the rechargeable, so we use a charge controller to charge the battery. Then there are DC motor. 3 different DC motors are used. The 2 are for the movement of vehicle, and one is for the cutter on off status. This is the block diagram of our project. This is the microcontroller. ESP32 microcontroller is used, which communicate with the mobile application in both way. It sends data and it receives data. When we enter the IP address in mobile application, it is connected. This is the solar panel. Solar panel is used by using a battery management system, which is an electronic circuit, and that charges the battery. These are the motors. These 2 motors are responsible for the movement of the vehicle, and this is the 3rd motor, which is responsible for the cutter on off status. This is our 3D design, which is produced on the SolidWorks. This consists of 2 floors, ground floor and first floor. Ground floor is used for the placement of electronic circuit, battery, and the cutter. There, the front part is used for the cutter motor placement, and this is the middle part is used for the placement of the electronic circuit, and on the behind side, in order to balance overall the machine, the battery is placed. And this upper part of the first floor is used to place the installment of solar panel, as it needs solar radiation, so it must be put exposed to the radiation of the sun. These 2 floors are interconnected by these 4 arms in a specific distance, as shown in the figure. The 4 arms are attached to the 2 floors. Sheet dimension. This is the sheet dimensions in a 2 floor system. Each sheet is 9 by 6 inches, and this is the radius for the placement of the arms, and these are the radius for the motors, and this cut is provided for turning the wheel of the machine. Component selection. The main components of our project are the ESP32 and L293D IC. This ESP32 is used to program and run the machine. In this ESP32, there are 39 pins which are used, and out of which 34 are used as a GPIO pin, and this can be enabled by using 3.3 volt or by USB port. 2 ICs are used for the project, one for the movement of the vehicle, in which 2 motors are fixed, and one for the cutter on off status. Hardware testing circuit. This is the hardware of the project, which is made on the breadboard. This is the testing circuit. So these 2 motors are responsible for the movement of the vehicle, and this ESP32 is enabled by providing a power from the USB port, and this motor is used for the cutter on off status. And this is the mobile application. Here it gets the IP address, and these 4 buttons are used for the directions of the machine: upward, backward, left, right, and this middle round button is used for on off status of the machine. 2 separate buttons are provided for running the on off status of the cutter off and cutter on. PCB design. After testing on the breadboard, we move toward the designing of the circuit. These 2 headers are placed at a distance of 25.4 because the distance of pins in the ESP32 are 25.4 inches, and these 2 are the ICs which are used to run the motor, and 2 supplies are provided. One is 5 volt and another is 12 volt. PCB hardware fabrication. This is the fabricated circuit from the Fab Lab, and this is the placement of headers for the circuit. This is the ESP32 microcontroller, and these 2 are the ICs for the motor. These are the L293D ICs. Hardware fabrication. After doing some work with circuits, we move toward the hardware fabrication. These are 2 floors. Each one is a 9 by 6 inches, and these are 4 arms. Each arm radius is a 0.39, and these are the holes which are provided. This is the installment of the cutter which is on the front part of the machine. Result and discussion. Our overall journey starts from the sketch of the design on SolidWorks to the final product. As we can see in the slide that 2 floors and 4 arm system is also provided here. This is the cutter motor, this is the electronic circuit, and the battery is placed behind, and this is the solar panel which is very much exposed to sun radiation. Discussion. In discussion, we can deduce that the solar lawnmower is controlled by an application or mobile application. This application is used to move the machine as well as to cutter on or off. And solar lawnmower get power source from the battery. The main source of power in the solar lawnmower is the battery. The cutter cuts the grass. The cutter is dedicated to cut the grass. Conclusion. The machine is controlled by an MIT app. The machine uses MIT app for its control, and the machine can be on, off, or move left, right, and it has feature to on all the components or off all the components are separately, and it also works on the solar energy, and in this machine the battery is the main source. Future recommendation. Here our product is the prototype. It can be upgraded to real time, and in this project we use a mobile application. It can be upgraded to AI based by using different algorithm. The GPS module can also be attached to trace its location. As the cutter is made from stainless steel, its efficiency can also be improved. These are some references that we use for study and selection of different components and hardware fabrication. And thanks to watch this, and please subscribe and like our Sakhar IBA Electrical channel.